In this section, we will review how to use the sum function in Excel. To bring up the function, you can just click in any cell. Let's say I would like to calculate with this in the sum area. I click on B13, write equal, and start typing sum. You can just select the sum function. You see, it starts writing sum bracket, and now you can just type in what you would like to sum. You can also highlight, actually, I would like to sum the sales quantity. By clicking with the left mouse click into the first cell you would like to sum, hold it down. You would like to sum the sales quantity from Steve, Paul, and Ying, and then you can just hit enter and it sums it up. Basically, it adds up the numbers which are within the range. You see, it writes sum bracket from B8 till B10. You can also summarize the monthly sales. Let's say I can summarize it for June or for July together. Let's summarize it for July and June together. I can just write equal sum, open a bracket, highlight the first sales number from June, from Steve, and then roll my mouse, keep my left mouse button pushed down, roll to right and down. Basically, I highlight this whole table area where the sales numbers are. I can hit enter, or I can even close my bracket here up in the functions area, hit enter, and you see that this summarizes me the numbers within this whole table. This is the sum function. It's quite useful. You will use it quite frequently.